The Extractor hammer weldable pulling plug is intended to weld to standard casing and be reused. We're going to show you how we intend for it to be welded on and removed so it can be repeatedly used. The plug has troughs milled in it so you can cut it off later. One trough is larger and flared for air exhaust. It can help to tack a piece of flat for your ground. Most folks are stick welding in the field. Weld between the troughs, not in the troughs, in the space where there is a good spot for a fillet weld between the plug and the casing. Ensure you are getting good penetration. Do multiple passes if you need to. Weld each fillet that you can. The hammer is violent and welds can break. Use a cutting torch. A grinder will work but takes forever, and air arc might destroy it. Cut the casing off around its diameter right under the plug. Hold the torch at a 30-degree angle down, pointing into the trough. Cut from the top of the trough down so you now have a bunch of slits through the casing. It can help at this point to take a cut-off wheel and get a bit of the weld off. Hit the casing slits with a hammer until they break off. Clean up with a grinder if you want, or just weld the next segment of casing on a bit lower than the previous welds.